There are some truths that every believer must know. Listen up.
In His name, there's power to heal, to break every chain and make the truth revealed. For centuries they lied, fed us a disguise, changed His name, turned our truth to their lies. It's not a title, not Lord, not God, not Jehovah, not Jesus. Sadly, that too is a fraud. But hear me clear, it's not the man we reject, it's the name they gave Him, the truth they deflect. YAHUAH came, YAHUAH in the flesh, the Father among us, giving us His best, the name that holds the key to eternity. YAHUAH's truth, our identity. I am YAHUAH, my name doesn't change. Isaiah 42:8, forever proclaimed above all names. It's written in stone, the name of the Creator, the one on the throne. In His name, YAHUAH, we rise, we claim, break chains, ignite the flame. In His name, we're healed, restored, and free. YAHUAH's the name, the key to destiny. They said to call Him Jesus, but that's not the way. The letter J didn't even exist in His day. Judah, nah, it's Yahu, this tribe. The truth of YAHUAH, it's time to revive. YAHUAH is the Son, the Messiah foretold. YAHUAH among us to save and uphold. The prophets carried His name through the years. YAHUAH in their words, in their prayers, in their tears. No name is higher, no power compares. The name of YAHUAH, His glory declares. Messiah is Mashiach, He took back the keys. Reclaiming His truth brings us victory. The Tetragrammaton, YAHUAH's name, over 6,000 times the ancient Bible proclaims. But they translated it, erased it, and gave us new names. God, Lord, Jehovah, Jesus, to lead us astray. The deception was deep, to make us confused, to worship their idols instead of the truth. His name is our weapon, His name is the key. YAHUAH gives us power, dominion, and authority. No more idols, no more shame, no more blame. We stand restored in YAHUAH's name. Be gentle with yourself, it's a lot to take in. Calling on that name has been your long-held tradition. You prayed it, sang it, taught it with love. But now YAHUAH is calling you to rise above. It'll take some time for your tongue to adjust, for the name of YAHUAH is to build your trust. The titles Lord, God, Jehovah, and Jesus passed down, but YAHUAH's truth is where eternal power is found. We're in this together, you're not alone. Stick with us as we journey to His throne. His name brings comfort, it releases His fire. YAHUAH's truth takes us all much higher. We're in the last of the last days, can't you see? Prophecies unfold like waves in the sea. Hearts have grown cold, selfishness and greed. Hate gone bold, deceptions planted like seeds. Babylon is falling, the writing's on the wall. While kingdoms crumble, YAHUAH stands tall. Proclaim His name, not the idol they made, the real ancient Hebrew name that doesn't fade. YAHUAH, call on the name of YAHUAH.